दादा और प्यारी भाभी, हैप्पी 25th एनिवर्सरी। ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, এনজয় করো। বাই, মিস ইউ অল।
May your silver turn into gold. Stay blessed, Shubir and Seema. Love you.
देखो मैंने देखा है ये एक सपना, फूलों के शहर में है घर अपना, क्या समा है तू कहाँ है।
हाय शुबीर, हाय सीमा, हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी। मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या कहूँ, फिर मुझे ध्यान आया कि जब भी तुम लोगों को देखता हूँ तो जितनी जोड़ियों को मैं जानता हूँ, जितनी दंपतियों को जानता हूँ, तुम लोग उन सभी में से बहुत अलग दिखते हो, आउटस्टैंडिंग दिखते हो, बहुत सुंदर दिखते हो। और तुम लोग जब इकट्ठे होते हो तो आपस की जो केमिस्ट्री है वो बहुत ही अलग होती है। तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ये तुम दोनों के बीच हमेशा रहे, आखिरी सांसों तक तुम लोग एक दूसरे का ऐसे ही सपोर्ट बन के रहो और बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही आउटस्टैंडिंगली डिफरेंट लगते रहो। और 25 क्या है, अभी 50 और 75 और आगे भी।
Wish you both a very happy anniversary, guys. Have a great time and have lovely years ahead.
हो कोई मिलन का सुख से भरे सरगम का, साथ हो लाखों जन्म का, युग युग के बंधन का, ऐसे ही बहारें गाती रहे और सजते रहे वीराने। मेरे प्यारे से शुबीर और सुंदर सी सीमा को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Dear Dada and Seema, can't believe it's 25 years since you tied the knot. I think I was part of that journey right from the moment Dada decided he was going to marry you. I still remember it was a wintry afternoon that Dada knocked on the door, and when I said, "Oh, hi, hello," he said, "Oh, I haven't come to meet you. Come to meet Kaka Shri and Kakishri." So he went straight to them and he said, "Right, मैंने आपकी बहू ढूंढ ली है." And then he went on to tell us about you, Seema. And then we were of course very pleased, and we said, "A photo, or when do we get to meet you?" And he said, "थोड़ा सब्र करो, मिलाएंगे." And then again after a week or so he said, "Come to Noida." And lo and behold, I turned up and there you were. We met for the first time, and your sweet smile and your your inhibited laughter, I think, won everybody's hearts. And then it was the time for your wedding, and the wedding was fabulous. We had so much fun, and I remember it was a time when DDLJ had come out, and we went to see the film, I think the midnight show, and I also learned a lot of phrases like chicken pox car, and that was quite an anomaly or paradoxical expression for something so beautiful, which is the bridal vehicle. Anyway, 25 years, huh? I'm sure it's been a roller coaster ride with lots of laughs and tears and joys and sorrows. I'm very privileged to have been part of this journey of yours. Birth of the babies, beautiful two babies. Then we met at Bangalore when I came over, and we have intermittently met at G118 for Mishti's birthdays, or when everybody's together, mini family reunions. So many memories, and what I would like to say is, may your relationship go from strength to strength, and looking forward to another 25 years of togetherness. Wish you all the best. Wish I was there, but I am not, and I hope this video kind of compensates. Sending you lots of love. Happy 25th wedding anniversary. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Shubir and Seema.
So the silent man speaks first, yeah? So a happy anniversary, both of you. Love you loads. And well, it takes, you know, patience, perseverance, love, tolerance, adjustment, everything, you know, to, you know, make this 25 years.
About
25 years, yeah. So, you know, go back to the prime point, love each other more every day, and have a great year ahead. Lots of love to you both. Love you both.
Lots of years, bono.
Hey Seema and Subir, happy 25th anniversary. I wish you all the best for a long married life, and I wish we were there personally to wish you the same, but I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun with your family. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Hey Subir and Seema, many congratulations on your silver jubilee. It's not only 25 years of marriage, it's 25 years of love, 25 years of care, 25 years of affection that you people have been sharing. I have not seen a couple like you. You people are just not getting older. You people are getting younger day by day. The kind of love you people have for each other, the kind of love you have for life, that is very apparent from your pics on FB or otherwise you share with us. May God bless you with lot of happiness, lot many more years to come, and you are setting a right example in front of your kids how to take your marriage on a longer road and forever. God bless you guys. Enjoy. Have fun.
This is for you. Many congratulations and a very happy 25th anniversary. You are one of the most warmest couples I have known. Most happening. I have always been fascinated by Subir's enthusiasm and Josh of Seema. Wishing you both all the best. It's great being together. This celebration is not complete till you people land up here and we all celebrate together. Have a great time and have the second innings even better. Cheers, mate.
साल दर साल यूं ही साथ तेरा हो, जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पे मेरे हाथों में हाथ तेरा हो, गुजरे हुए वक्त की सोंधी खुशबुओं के साथ आने वाला हर पल और भी सुनहरा हो, सुबीर सीमा का प्यार दिन पर दिन और गहरा हो. A very happy silver jubilee to you.
Hi Subir and Seema, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Silver Jubilee celebrations must be going on in full COVID fashion, hopefully. Staying safe and healthy. Enjoy and have a great time. Looking forward to seeing you sometime next year. Have fun and best wishes to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Seema and Subir. Wishing you guys the very best in life. May God bless you with the choicest blessings. Have a wonderful day and blissful years ahead. God bless.
Hey Seema and Subir, guys, wishing you a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. 25 years, man, that's some number. Wish you at least 50 more years of togetherness and happiness. Take care and enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hey Seema and Subir, wishing you a very, very happy anniversary. Lots of love to both of you. May you continue to experience each one's colors, bad, bright, dull, everything. And lots of love to both.
Happy 25th anniversary, Seema and Subir, lovebirds of Bangalore. Have a brilliant time in Maldives. Here are some lovely pictures. See you soon.
Happy anniversary, Subir and Seema. Cheers to many more years. और सुबीर ये तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया, तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो और सीमा के साथ इतने साल निभा लिए, बहुत गलत, बहुत नाइंसाफी है। No, really, we really love you guys, and we are very, very, very happy for your 25 years togetherness, and we wish and we pray that it goes on for a long, long time. Love you guys and miss you really.
So सुबीर, लगता है रानी ने सारा मतलब हम सब का जो एक कोटा एक ही बार में पूरा कर दिया है। आई थिंक कुछ ज्यादा इमोशनल हो गई तुम्हारे नाम को लेके, पता नहीं, मेरे को रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी, बट या guys, happy anniversary, God bless, stay forever.
Happy anniversary uncle and auntie, hope you had a great day.
यहाँ तेरा मेरा नाम लिखा है,
रास्ता नहीं ये आम लिखा है,
ओ ये है दरवाजा जहाँ तू खड़ी है,
अंदर आ जाओ सर्दी बड़ी है,
यहाँ से नजारा।
Hi Seema, happy 25th wedding anniversary. Stay blessed. Bye.
Hi Seema, happy 25th wedding anniversary.
Good morning Seema ma'am. Happy anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary to you.
Good afternoon. I wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary. May you both celebrate many more years to come now. Have a great evening.
Hello Seema ma'am, how are you? I hope you all well. Happy wedding anniversary.
Hello Seema ma'am, happy silver jubilee of your anniversary. Have a blessed life ahead.
Hello, good morning Seema ma'am. Happy wedding anniversary. Good life and God bless you ma'am.
Hello Seema ma'am, happy wedding anniversary.
देखो पर्वतों का
झांकू मैं कहाँ से, कहाँ है झरोका,
ये यहाँ है, तू कहाँ है,
मैं आई 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 आई
आजा।
कितना हसीन।
Hi Seema and Shubir, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary guys.
Many more happy years of togetherness. Stay happy, stay blessed. Keep smiling always.
Cheers and
We'll
let's
meet
catch
soon.
up soon.
Happy anniversary.
Have a great day.
Hey guys, happy 25th. Happy anniversary to both of you, and to many more years of togetherness and the kick-ass friendship that you guys share. I think that's the first thing that anybody would notice about you guys, that you're so comfortable in each other's company and encouraging each other, and you've brought up these two great kids. I remember when I first met you guys, I was like, yeah, real hai ke, it's like more made up or acting hai. But over a period of years, I realized that you guys are like that, the slightly crazier family. And I must say that, every time I come home, I'm so impressed with how you guys have brought up your kids. Yeah, I really like that. So here's wishing lots and lots of love and hugs, and have many more years of togetherness.
To the coolest couple I know, happy anniversary Seema and Shubir. Happy anniversary. Love you guys. Love you. Have a wonderful holiday. Bye.
फूलों के शहर में घर अपना, क्या समा है, तू कहाँ है,
मैं आया
आजा।
Hi Subir, hi Seema. Wonderful milestone. Best wishes on your 25th marriage anniversary. It's a great feeling. Shaila and I have also completed 30 years, and we know what the feeling was at the 25th anniversary 5 years ago. All the very best, guys. The whole family would have probably been in a frame, but I am in Chennai, and hence I'm sending my video separately. All the very best. Have a great day. Have loads of fun. Have a great year ahead. Cheers. Bye.
Hello. Wish you a very happy 25th anniversary.
ये तो बोलो होगी कहाँ पे लड़ाई,
मैंने वो जगह ही नहीं बनाई, प्यार यहाँ है तू कहाँ है,
मैं आई
आजा।
कितना हसीन है ये एक सपना,
फूलों के शहर